I have used this multiple times now for making pancakes, and I've tried a few things with it, and I want to go over some of the pros and cons I've learned in the process. First off, this is really easy to wash. I have not yet risked putting it in my dishwasher. I do just hand wash it, but even with this little contraption at the bottom, it takes no time at all to just do a quick scrub and rinse it out. Really straightforward. Just don't let all the batter dry in it for hours and you'll be good to go. And it really does make perfect pancakes. You have full control on when the batter starts and when the batter stops. So whether you're making circles or shapes, whatever you're doing, this gives you that fantastic control to make something that's not just a big splattered mess like I used to do. But you do have to pay attention to your batter consistency. If you put a really thick batter in here, it's not going to work as well. You definitely want a batter that's a little bit on the thinner side than maybe you're used to, as it really works better with this dispenser. And finally, I tried to mix all of the batter in here and then just have one messy container while making pancakes, and that didn't work out so well. I just couldn't get everything as blended as well as I wanted to. So I do recommend mixing everything in a bowl and then adding it to the batter dispenser, but maybe you'll have more success at that than I did. And the one hard thing I have with this is unless you're making pancakes all the time, it is a very focused kitchen tool. Yes, you can use it for cupcakes and other baked goods where you want to control dispensing, and you could certainly use it in other ways outside of the kitchen as well, but it is a very focused device, and that means it's taking up space in my kitchen that I may use for something that has more uses than one. That said, it does its job remarkably well. And if you're in a family that makes a lot of pancakes like my family does, it really comes in handy. I hope this helps you make a decision about the KPKitchen Batter Dispenser.